So Mr. Danilo will make bulldog. He used a bath towel, which he fold in two. Then he will take one side of the towel from one end and rolled it to the center. Then the other end he rolled until he meet it in the center. Hold it together and then he fold it in two, pulling out the point of the towel, each corner of the towel. So you hold two right, two left, and then you pull it apart. So this forms the body of the bulldog. Okay? So now he will do the head of the bulldog. He uses a hand towel, which he fold lengthwise in two halves. Then he take the top of the towel, just the top side, and then he slide it towards him from one side to the other. Then the peak of the towel, he fold it under, and then each side he start to roll until they both meet in the center, holding it tight together always. Then the loose part of the towel, he start to fold it down over the face and the mouth of the bulldog, so you will form the ears. There we have. Now he's placing the eyes. He's placing the eyes. There we go. Place it on the two front legs, and you have a bulldog. Taking it, he put it in the table lengthways, and then he fold each side of the towel. He fold 4 inches over, and then he start to roll from one end. There we go. He rolled in it halfway to the center. Then the other end, he rolled in it, rolled it until it meet halfway in the center. Then he fold, he place it there. So he will make the head of the dinosaur now, which he used a hand towel. He place it on the table. He placed his finger in the top center of the hand towel. Then he start to roll from the top side to the center. See, you take the top end and then you start to roll it down until they meet both in the center. Always you need to roll it very tight. You can also use assistance. If you have a hook somewhere in your home, you hook it, or you need a second person so they can hold the towel for you. After he have this shape of the towel, he place it in the center, folded already bath towel. Place it in the center, and then he fold it so you can hold 2 of them together. There you have. There we go. And then the neck, you just start to fold the towel so you can get this shape of the neck and the face together. There we have. There we have the dinosaur. Thank you, Adrian.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, one more time. Let's give it up.
Okay then, so we will make a penguin for you tonight. And as we go on, you will see the way Mother do the penguin for you. So he using the washcloth, he fold it in 2 halfway triangle, and then he rolled, use the bath towel, fold in 2. He placed the washcloth folded already in the center. There we go. Then he fold in 4 parts. One side he lock over and the other end over to the center. And you just need to make a little accommodation there so he can stay standing with the loose bottom part of the towel. Here we have. penguin. Okay? Some of you may have the standing one, the flying one. He make it a sitting one. He use a bat towel, he fold in two. As you notice, he's folding each side of the towel 4 inches from each side. Then each end, he start to roll in the center until they both meet. Then he fold it into. Sometimes we need to hold it together with a rubber band, or you just need to compress the towel a little so it will stay together. Okay? So now there we have our sitting elephant. He used a hand towel to make the face and the trunk of the elephant. So he hold it in the top center edge of the towel, and then he start to roll from each side, top, down, till they both meet in the center. Now he have this shape. The loose part of the top towel, he fold it over. See, you bring it down, and that make the face and the ear. Then you just fold it and to make the shape of the trunk. Place it in the folded bat towel, which is the body part, and there you have your sitting towel animal, the shape of an elephant. Okay? Place his eyes, and there you have, guys, your towel animal.
One more time. Let's give it up for.
So Dennis will show us how he do the rabbit. Anybody have a rabbit? Yeah? Okay, so he used a bat towel, which he rolled from one end, halfway in the center, and the other end he rolled it till it meet in the center. Folding it in two, he start to pull out the point of the towel. So that way you can hold two right, two left, hold it tightly together, and then you have the grip to pull it apart. See? There we go. Now he pull it apart, and that's the shape of the body. Okay? So for the head, he will use a hand towel. This one sometimes you can do it alone. Dennis is very professional. He don't need assistance. But as I say, you can use a hook somewhere in your home, and you can use a second person to assist you. Which he hold in the top center, and then he start to roll from each side of the towel. He start to roll down till they both meet in the center. And this is the shape we have. So now he's going to fold it right around. From the top, right through, and then you tuck it so it can stay tightly. So we have the farm shape of the head of the elephant. The loose part, that will form the ear of the rabbit. Sorry, I say elephant. Okay, now he's placing the eye. There you go. And there we have Mr. Bonnie. Thank you, Dennis.
All right, one more time. Let's give it up for Dennis.
You can take it from the bathroom tonight, so you can make it for mommy. Bath towel, you put it in your bed, roll one end, halfway in the center, the other end, roll halfway until it meets. There we go. Now, she will fold in two, pulling out always the pointed part of the towel, each end of the towel, hold together, two right, two left, and then pull it apart. There we go. So for the head, she used a hand towel. Use a hand towel, which she fold two half, and then we fold in 4 parts. Now she going to fold down from one end triangle, down, up, then from up, down, like we're making a sandwich. There we go. Then you fold into open way. There we go. Fold it in two. That will make the shape of the eyes and the mouth, head complete with for the frog. She will place it in the space, open space of the body, the center, and then you will hold the two legs, bottom and the two top legs together. There we go. And you will have the shape of Mr. Frog. There we go. Very nice, see? Placing the eyes. No? No mouse? You had a mouse. Oh. Okay, so he used only one washcloth to make the mouse, which he fold half in two half, triangle shape. Then each side he fold halfway in the center. Then this edge he fold up, and each side he just fold like if he making a sandwich. Then the loose part of the towel he pull out so he can make the shape of the ear. And there is a shape. Usually you can put it in a glass, in somewhere hiding, so he can only leave out his face. And there you have your mouse. See? Very quick and easy. Thank you, Arif. Thank you. Fold one half of it halfway, and the other half from one end, she rolled it through the center until it meets. Then she pull out the point of the towel, holding them together, two right and two left. Pull it apart, and there we have. That's the body part of the monkey. For the head, she used a washcloth. Place it triangle way on the table, then from top to bottom, she start rolling until they both meet in the center. Then she fold in two, and then each side she fold it from out in and around. Out in through the center, and then she put it back through the back, and it's put a rubber band so it can hold. Would not fall apart. This is placing the eyes. This one is a little tricky, but it's very easy. Place the eyes and the monkey face. There we have. There we have the monkey. Very nice. There we have your monkey. Okay, thank you, Janice. There we go.
Let's give it up for Miss Janice. Is that King Kong? Yeah? All right, so that's how you make your monkey, guys. So if you want to learn more,